got my hair. I just received my hairs from K Hair Factory, and my vendor's name is Lani. I love all the hairs you sent to me. They're very nice. Same bundle of my bone straight piano color. Can you see how lush the hair is? See now. See here. Okay. This 50, this 100, and this 50. That's all I need for my blonde cuts. The hair is so beautiful and the quality is fab. Thank you so much. I love my hairs, and I know my customers will love this quality as well. Thank you. Feel this kinky like no other. No one thing I like about this kinky is that it looks like human hair, like you know those coily little hair now. Can you see the way it's looking? So just imagine you're using this for all round, you know. It's going to come out so well. It's 200 grams and it's just full. Just imagine when you put your condition, your hair treatment on it, and you comb it out. Wow. Also, I have PC cores. I have PC cores here. I have PC cores. I have bouncing cores. I have straight hairs, so you can see straight bundles. So thank you very much. They're all very nice. I love the hair.